Have you ever tried a salad that has been so tasty you thought it would be impossible to recreate at home? Today, I'm going to show you my framework that is easy as ABCD to a path of delicious salads made at home. Welcome, this is Tony. My channel is Seasonal Intuition. The goal of the channel is to help you improve your cooking skills and intuition so you can stop following recipes and start following your heart. The ABCD framework is a mnemonic that stands for A is for anchor ingredient, B is for bite, which C is for companion ingredients that add crunch or crazy flavor, and D is for dressing. We're gonna keep this video brief. Please follow me for later videos that will dive deeper. Now we're gonna talk about A, the anchor ingredient. That could be anything that you pick up from your farmer's market or CSA box or what you find in the fridge. I have 3 sample anchor ingredients here that I wanna show you. And the first one is just an organic spring mix salad from your local supermarket. If you're in a rush, this is a great place to start. Another is just fresh kale that you may have that left over from smoothies or other salads. And then cabbage is a great anchor as an alternative ingredient. You can get as creative as you want. The next letter that we're gonna cover is B for bite. Bite gives depth and spiciness to your salad. It gives it an extra zing that you wouldn't normally have. And the way that I like to build our salads is through either using an onion that's finely chopped, or any of my favorite chili peppers. This particular one that I have on hand today is an Indian one. And a shallot is my secret ingredient that is a super powerhouse of flavor and could be used as on its own with just an anchor ingredient. That's probably the only ingredient that I would recommend that is masterful and can play. The next letter is C, which stands for companion. Any of these ingredients could be excellent to add texture or sweetness or crunchiness or full body to your salad. What I have chosen today is half a pear, which would go great with your mixed green salad, or some walnuts, whole or chopped, or a very hard cheese. This particular one that I have today is Gruyere. The final letter is D, which stands for dressing. Everyone knows what dressing is. It adds the final flavor to a salad. And I have a go-to dressing that I use on the majority of my salads, which is comprised of salt, pepper, olive oil, and balsamic vinegar. So the dressings would be the vinegar, the olive oil, the salt, and the fresh ground pepper. That is the final ingredient for the ABCD framework. That's all there is to it. Today, I shared my framework of A for anchor, B for bite, C for companion, and D for dressing to begin building your intuition so we can start making salads together. If you watch future videos, I will be sharing how I put the salads together with you. Please like and subscribe for more exciting videos about salads. Thanks for watching.